Hi, I'm Eddie Clark, president of Accent Fence. We've been in business over 10 years. I've got over 18 years of experience in the fence business. We have many fence products and styles that can fit your need, from wood, both privacy and pickets, to ornamental fences like you see here, both steel and aluminum, each designed to fit your need and your budget. Thanks to good customers like Susan, our customer satisfaction scores are very high.
I really appreciated the reliability and professionalism of Eddie Clark and his installation crew. I feel Accent Fence provides a quality product at a very reasonable price, and I'm so thrilled with my fence. I'd recommend Accent Fence to anyone.
We have insurance, both workers' comp and general liability insurance. We belong to the American Fence Association. What it means to you is that I've taken the time and energy to become certified, so I know what I'm talking about. Our goal truly is to accent the beauty and value of your home. Give us a call.